Hi, I'm Sally from Mellors, and in this video I'm going to walk you through each step of the kitchen diary. Kitchen comments. Use this space to make the diary specific to your site. Record due diligence, training, equipment faults, theme days, hazards for example. Circle the weather, and record in the box the number of meals served. Opening checks. It is essential that you do certain checks every morning. This helps you maintain the basic standards you need to ensure that your kitchen makes food safely. Delivery checks. Conduct a random check on items from your delivery. Record the supplier, actual item checked, in this case frozen peas, and the use by date from the product. Use the probe, sandwich method, never pierce a bag, to take and record delivery temperatures. The exception to this is raw meat. In this instance, record the temperature from the van. Product standard, check for sound packaging, sufficient labelling, dinted tins, etc., and reject anything that doesn't reach the required standard. Fridge and freezer checks. Name or number the appliance to correspond with the entry in the kitchen diary. Internal temperatures to be taken twice daily using the calibrated probe. Do not read and record external dials. Cooking and hot holding temperatures. It is essential to cook food properly to kill any harmful bacteria. To check the temperature of a food, insert a clean probe so that the tip is in the centre of the food or the thickest part. Take and record a temperature of a product from each tray or batch cooked. Acrylamide. Acrylamide is a chemical that is formed naturally when some foods are cooked at high temperatures, such as by frying, roasting, baking, grilling and toasting. Legislation is in place to reduce acrylamide levels in food as it has the potential to cause cancer in humans. Always follow the manufacturer's cooking instructions and cook these foods to a golden colour or lighter. Food cooling checks. Harmful bacteria can grow in food that is not chilled down as quickly as possible. Keep the cooling of food to an absolute minimum. If it is necessary to cool food, then you must keep it covered and cool within 90 minutes. Aid in the cooling process, for example, by using ice, dividing food into smaller sizes, or stirring. Cleaning schedule and site-specific area for cleaning. A cleaning schedule helps ensure you clean effectively in your kitchen. Ensure the member of staff responsible for cleaning of a particular item initials the entry in the diary. Use the site-specific area to record any items not listed, again to make this diary relevant to your site. Waste summary. Record any waste and the reason in this section. It may be that a food item's date has expired, or you literally have burnt the toast. Closing checks. It is essential that you do certain checks every time you finish for the day. This helps you maintain the basic standards you need to make sure that your kitchen makes food safely. You can either initial or date these checks. Visitors. Any visitors to your kitchen must wear protective clothing and make an entry here. Also include the purpose of their visit. Person in charge. At the end of each day, the person in charge, usually the catering manager, will sign the diary to confirm that all checks are to the required standard in line with Mellors procedures. Weekly page. I'm now going to walk you through the steps of the weekly page. This falls at the end of each week and checks can take place at any time throughout that current week. Cleaning schedule and site-specific areas for cleaning. This area is for items that would normally be cleaned weekly. Once again, the staff member responsible for the cleaning is to initial the entry in the diary. Use this site-specific area to record any items not in the list above. Probe calibration. It is essential to know that your probe is working properly so you can rely on its readings. Therefore, check your probe once per month by putting it in ice water and boiling water. The readings in ice water should be between -1 degree Celsius and 1 degree Celsius. The readings in boiling water should be between 99 degrees Celsius and 101 degrees Celsius. Dishwasher. Record the operating and rinse temperature of the dishwasher by reading the dials. The rinse temperature must reach at least 82 degrees Celsius in order to destroy the harmful bacteria. Ambient food display. You can display food out of chilled storage for up to 2 hours. Record occasional buffets in this area so you can demonstrate how long food has been on display. Manager's sign-off. At the end of the week, the person in charge, usually the catering manager, will sign the diary to confirm that all checks are to the required standard in line with Mellors procedures. Area manager's sign-off. Your area manager will make regular checks to your site kitchen diary to ensure food safety, compliance with food hygiene regulations, and to protect our sound business reputation.